Why this bitch tryna play me? Are you crazy? Pocket rocket on my cargoes like the Navy. Put the Tommy to his brain, please, like he Brady. Heartbreaking on the daily. Can you save me?
Alright, before the video starts, I want to let you guys know that one, this is my first video, no shit. And also the only reason why I'm doing this is because, well, I'm bored, and I said I would make a video to come out in like by 2 hours from now ish, and well, it has the potential to be funny, but I'm trying my best to edit it. So that's all. So enjoy the video, I guess.
I've got you in my sight. No, 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 no. NANI?!
Thank you.
I got you, fam!
Bro.
Bitch!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I've got you in my sight.
Hello, motherfucker.
Bruh, look at this dude.
Where's Johnny?
Anime bitches, I look at her titties, then I take her home and we count up these 50s. I come to your city, I sneak in your chimney, I tickle her kidney, and then I watch Disney. I love me some hentai, I go on X videos. Bitch, I'm D-Bang, stick my dick in your Cheerios. Bitch, I'm D-Bangs, I might fuck my computer. I whip out my dick, then pull up on my